Well, I'm going to be real here with you. I was quite tired after yesterday evening adventure and also a bit of the frustration what happened, and basically we spent half of today fixing the bikes, searching for parts, and basically the worry, especially for me, that this trip is over with burnt clutch. I will not be able to continue, so I barely film anything today, and I guess that's the real beginner's adventure about. And days like this happened, so let's see how it turns out at the end. As usually I miss the turn. Good sunny morning, actually almost lunch, so managed to mend the clutch on my bike somehow. Looks like it's working for now. I tried to find some shop where they have clutch plates, but no luck, so now we're going to hope we'll survive. But so far it's working well. I don't want to jinx it. And on another bike I had to mend the front brake, and finally we are on the way. We are heading to Maramures to find a gas station. We need some brake fluid, and then heading to Barsana, and from there we will take some side roads, but today only asphalt roads, to village of Breb, and depend on time, we either stay there for night and continue tomorrow, or we will continue today to the other side in direction of Maramures. So one thing I must say for sure, those guys which helped us yesterday to get out of mess we end up was really amazing, and if they ever find this video, again big thanks to you and for the patience to stay with us so long. And they refused to take even any money, at least for beer. And also the owner of the hotel where we stay was very kind. He came to pick us and we follow him, show us accommodation, prepare hot water, and then basically let us alone. I never in my life stay alone in a whole hotel or pension. Show us where is a beer, where is a fridge with drinks, and trust us to let the correct amount of money or what we consume. I found a gas station, and we're going to check if they have brake fluid, or we continue. And next to gas station was a car dealership, cars parts dealership. So we managed to get the brake fluid, and now we're heading to Sighetu, to motorcycle spare part shop, which they told us are very well stock. Maybe we'll find the clutch plates, and also we have on yet another bike broken the clutch lever, so usually I miss the turn. Tutaj je. Pozri, jak idem hore. Dobre. Dobre, ale jak tu vidíš, pozri, jaká ďura.
No potom musí byť nejaký kopec, hento. Keď už toto vlastne ideš do kopca, aj keď vyzerá, že ideš dole kopcom.
Hai, ridică-te, simte focul viu, două roți dansează, lumea-i numai a ta. Hai, ridică-te, noaptea sau târziu, drumul ne cheamă, nu ne vom opri. Hai, hai, cântă inima cu mine, hai, hai, pe șosea sau pe câmpie. Hai, ridică-te, simte focul viu, două roți dansează, lumea-i numai a ta. Hai, ridică-te, noaptea sau târziu, drumul ne cheamă, nu ne vom opri.
Shortly after leaving gas station, we end up in a quite bad storm, and by the evening we were just focused on finding somewhere to stay. The motor ranch Upitlaku, near town called Fagetu, became our target, and hoping they will have space for us to stay overnight and also food. As it turns out, they did have a space for us, and also they had amazing food.